Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by finding the content. Open Facebook and go straight to the post or photo where you're tagged. Once there, tap the three-dot menu or the tag itself to reveal tag controls. Choose Remove Tag to unlink your profile. Do this immediately so the post stops pointing to you. If you don't see Remove Tag, look for photo options or a menu labeled More. Those choices often expose the untag action or a way to request removal. Once you've removed immediate tags, go deeper using Activity Log to catch older tags. Open Settings and Privacy, then Activity Log and filter to photos and posts you're tagged in. This shows every tag linked to your account. Select single or multiple entries and pick Remove Tag or Hide from Timeline. Bulk actions save time. On mobile, go to your profile, tap Tagged, then manage to cycle through images and remove tags individually when finish by verifying. Refresh your profile and open the original post to confirm your name no longer links. If the tag technically removed but the post still appears on your timeline, use Hide from Timeline or ask the poster to delete the post entirely. If a tag persists or options are missing, clear app cache, log out and back in, or report the content to Facebook support. That forces a review. Make sure to check privacy settings so future tags require your approval.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.